Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Set a time range and select the core collection index you need. Input exact phrases in quotes and combine keywords with Boolean operators. This reduces noise immediately. Once done, add field tags, TS for topic, O for author, TI for title, so the system searches the right metadata. Make sure to choose document types and languages now, and save the query early. This prevents reruns and keeps results reproducible. Next, construct the complex query. Combine terms with parentheses and Boolean logic to control inclusions and exclusions. Use wildcards and truncation to capture variance, and proximity operators for tighter phrase control. That yields higher precision. Then layer field tags and add institutional or funding filters to focus on specific groups. Once your query string returns consistent results, save it as an alert or named search, so you can rerun or refine without rebuilding. Finally, refine with Analyze Results and Citation Report to identify core journals, top authors, and influential papers. Then export curated records with the fields you need. Make sure to use cited references to trace backward and related records to move forward. If exports fail or results disagree, clear browser cache, check institutional access, and rerun the query with simplified terms. If still problematic, reduce filters first, then add them back one at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.